Okay, so we're in Humphreys at the basement. I'm here with Casey, the GC that I wanna take over this project, and we're just discussing the water pipe. This is where the water intake.
Yeah, this is where the plumbing for the house starts, and so the main line would come in right here.
From the street.
They'd locate it from the street to here, so we'd have to dig down from the buffalo box and replace. I'd have to check with the village to see if they make us replace the buffalo box or not, and it might depend on the condition. But it would come into this line right here, and this feeds the whole house.
Okay, so that's the problem with the water pipe here is the connection not here, obviously, but from here to all the way to the street.
Right.
And they do require you to dig this to dig the street.
Right.
And
that's the part that gets expensive, is digging down and replacing the curb possibly in the street and that kind of thing.
Okay. Okay. So this is the water now. Do you know if the inspector, and by the way, I put something I can show you, want to first get this done before we can start drywalling, or?
Well, what we would need to get is the electric and heat going to be able to start completing insulation and drywall and all that, because we need heat. If it was summertime, we could start that right away.
Okay.
We need heat.
Okay.
So the electric and the HVAC.
Okay. Now we're down in the basement, so obviously
the water we can kind of live without. We haul water in if we need to.
But I think the big question is, if does the inspector wants this to be connected with the new water pipe, and then test the house, and then we can drywall, or we can.
No, they won't. I can't imagine the city would hold us back from continuing as long as we can continue with electric and heat. I mean, I don't see.
I mean, drywalling. The connecting this should not.
No.
Is it something you know for a fact, or it's something worth checking with the?
I'd have to check with them, but I can't imagine. I mean, they can inspect this with drywall there.
But they wouldn't want to inspect the entire house pipe. Maybe.
Well, that's the thing. We would want to pressure test everything, which we could do. We could do that without that connection.
Okay, that would be air pressure.
Pressure test.
Yeah, like closing
this has passed the rough plumbing.
Right.
So that means that it should be ready to drywall and close up. But since we're walking in not knowing for sure that it's all sealed, we'd want to pressure test it.